Oh yeah, quick video on the DeLorean radio. So my dad just rebuilt it, fixed various cracks on various boards, lots of sort of faulty components, that sort of stuff. You know, a lot of work he said is involved. But so now, yeah, now it plays my tapes. Now as he flips the tape the other direction, got this Guardians of the Galaxy Awesome Mix Volume 2. Yeah, it works really well. There's treble and bass on here. You hear more bass on that. It's definitely noticeable. Little balance from right to left. This one here I think is probably from front to back. Let's find another song. Cool, the fast forward all works. Obviously inject it, a bit of power in there, and tune it in. So it's definitely balanced there. This is fade. Oh yeah, from the rear to the front. There is some noise in the rear. Yeah, pretty sweet, very impressed with that. I've also just this moment fixed the reverse lights on the car. So I took the switch off, cleaned it out, and in the end actually I found that it was the connector. One of these connectors here in the back. So I might as well show you actually whilst I'm here. So I am going to order some more of these connectors, but basically from the switch on the side of the gearbox goes up to here and then into a plug, and literally those two wires there. I sort of checked it all out at about 5 volts at the plug at the other end, and basically I just literally just pulled the wire off really gently, and literally it just all came off, and you can see inside that it's all corroded. So I will be checking out these other connections around this area, because these are actually some connections I haven't actually touched, because obviously the car was actually working apart from sort of little bits and pieces. So for now I've just cleaned it all up, fluxed it, soldered it together, sealed it, job done for the moment, and I'll order some more because I want it original and just back as it should be. So yeah, that's all sorted. So now I've got the rear reverse lights, which is cool. So I've got all those bits and pieces done. I've removed the buzzer, so there's no longer any buzzing noise coming from down there. And on my other video I'm going to post in a minute, I've got the puller with my own bolts, because it didn't come with M6s. But this was yeah, actually I checked, actually it's £8 on eBay, and that's it. Screws into those two there. Put some releasing fluid on there, as you can see there's a bit left in there. And basically yeah, just pulled off absolutely beauty. I mean, it was super tight on the puller, but yeah, the puller absolutely no problems, no movement from the M6s. So yeah, very pleased with all that. So now the steering wheel's nice and straight, tracking's all adjusted for the moment, the wheels are all straight as well, so tie rod ends are all sorted, so we're good. Yep, excellent. Nice one. All the best.